Hey guys, I'm back again with tiramisu, the delicious and famous Italian dessert. It's super simple, quick, and you don't need the oven to make this. So let's start. Take egg yolks, add sugar in it, boil the water in medium flame. Now we will pasteurize the egg. Mix it fast, don't cook it. As you can see, slightly it will change the color. Keep it aside, let it cool down. Whip the cream, take the mascarpone cheese, put it in a bowl, make it soft, then add the whipped cream and pasteurized eggs all together. Mix it well. As you can see the thickness. I am taking ladyfinger cookies. Now let's prepare the layers of ladyfingers and mascarpone cream. Dip the ladyfinger quickly into the coffee. Then arrange the ladyfinger in the casserole. Spread the mascarpone cream mixture. Sprinkle the chocolate powder. Make another layer. You can use the piping bag also if you want to make it more beautiful. Finally, sprinkle the chocolate powder, cover it and put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours. After 3 hours, our tiramisu is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with your loved ones. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.